Andy Rumpsa. I worked at Flexcraft for about 3.5 months, and I work in the maintenance department. Pretty easy going. We do our work. Our equipment is pretty well maintained. I mean, you have things that break down, but normally we have enough stuff here and we just keep production moving. Well, to describe Flexcraft's culture, it's very inviting. I mean, you fit right in, you come to work, you're glad to be here, or at least I am. Everybody's pretty happy, so yeah, I enjoy here. Well, it helped me grow personally because of the stress. There is no stress, at least to me. Like I said earlier, I've worked for corporations and you're just a number. Here I'm Andy, how you doing? So on and so forth. Personally, that really helped. And from a job standpoint, I'm learning new things. I mean, I've pretty much been a mechanic my whole entire life. Here, I'm learning punches, learning just a whole different atmosphere of work ethic and machines. Watching how machines work and correcting the problems and making it easier for the operators. I truly like the idea of watching a machine run, and then I can strategically make adjustments and make it easier for everybody. My favorite part is you can joke around and we still get our work done and everybody's happy. The healthy work environment, they're concerned about their employees. Like on bad weather days, we sometimes come in 2 hours late, which I think is great because of we get up early in the morning, and who wants to break down at 4:30, 5 o'clock in the morning? I'd rather break down when it's daylight if I have to break down, but that's a big thing for me because they care about their employees. Other people, when they're looking for jobs, I strongly suggest coming and filling an application out, because it is a small company. They take care of their employees. They truly, all aspects that I work in, I mean, they're looking at air quality. They're looking at the safety of their equipment. It just hands down, it's a great place to work.